is happening, everybody? Today is Wednesday. You know it. It's the hump day, December 8th, 2021. We are back outside in the field, sunny, hot. I'm blazing hot. I just ran 3.5 miles, sweating already. Back out here, obviously you can see, not even mowed yet, and there's a lot of fucking high grass everywhere. It's gonna be a pain in the ass actually, but anyway, what do we got today? All body weight stuff today. So didn't bring any equipment out except the mat for abs. And of course I got some cones out here to judge my distance. You can see there's a blue cone way out there. That's like 30 yards. So when we do some sprints, so basically we got some new body weight stuff. Crabby Walkouts where we're down and we walk out, come back, squat to high kick. So we're squatting, coming up, kick, squat, kick. Grass grabbers, which is like boom, boom, back down. Burpee Lat Jumps, so we're doing a burpee and then jump, burpee then jump, lateral. We got some sprints, yoga push-ups, burpee broad jumps, that's where we just burpee and then leap forward, do that a bunch of times. Push-up, side twist, so push-up, twist, push-up, twist, and then some more abs. So a lot of stuff today. It's 9 o'clock in the morning, got to blaze this out today because I got shit to do. So here we go. Without further ado, we got shit to do. Oh, by the way, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, turn post notifications, all those fucking things. All right, first thing we got is Crabby Walk Out. So we're gonna start here. I think we get down into a crab position like this, and we walk out like this. So we go out, and then back. Stay down, don't come up. So down, up, down, get into a plank, up. Back to a crab, back to the plank, back to the crab. Oh yeah. All right, stay right here. Dirty as fuck already, because it's wet. Squat, high kicks. So we're gonna get in the squat position. Watch this. So we're gonna squat, come up, squat, squat. Man, we did these a long time ago, remember? Back when we started all this. Nice. Grass grabbers. So we jump out with our feet, down, right hand, back in, swap hands. So watch. So we go out, touch, touch, touch. Alternate hands each time you squat down. So it's a lot of squats right now. But it's also some good cardio. Ab crunches. Straight up crunch right here. So get down, get your butt down. Right here. You're down. Crunch up. Get your knees. You're just gonna crunch. 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 Back to the top. Burpee, lateral jumps. Start here. So, burpee, up, jump. Burpee, up, jump. Burpee, up, side jump. Burpee, up, side jump. Burpee, up, side jump. Burpee, up, side jump. All right, straight up sprints. Get down to that blue cone and back as fast as you can. As fast as you go, the faster the break you go. See that? Blazed it. Yoga push-ups. I'm gonna do these right here. So, there, let's have fun. So down. So we're going. Yoga style. Up. Butt back. Back. Up. Back. Up. Like that. Sumo squat, hold with obliques. This is a pain in the ass. So we're squatting down, boom, boom, lean. I can't quite get a straight line, but I can try. So you're reaching up and reaching down, holding it, that squat. Fuck, squeeze that core. Burpee broad jumps. So burpee, then leap forward. So watch. Burpee, jump, burpee, jump, burpee, jump, turn around, burpee, up, jump, burpee, up, jump, burpee, up, jump. Woo! That was rough. Push up side twist. Do right here. Push up, side. 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 Woo! All right, last two are abs. One leg raise, crunch. Like this, crunch. So bring your right elbow, left leg. If your left leg is up, you're sitting up, crunching, crunching. Other side, come on. Leg up. Hold it. Up. Up. Cardio blazer. Killed me. Dirty as fuck too. But that's what we do. Gotta get dirty. Can't be afraid. Why is this not allowed? It's loud. I don't know. Anyway, don't forget, out of breath, like, subscribe, share, comment, turn post notifications on. That's one round. Get two more. Oh, by the way, I forgot to say, 10 seconds, 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest. 3 rounds, 12 exercises, 6 minutes a round, 18 minutes of work. We just got 6 out of the way. That means we got 12 minutes left. So let's get it going, shall we? So that's what we got. Neil the grinding wheel on a Wednesday, hump day, in the field, crushing it. Peace out.